Come install a Stick2Fit top-down, bottom-up honeycomb blind with us. Start by wiping down your glass with the cleaning wipes provided. Remove the adhesive backing from your top rail. Carefully line up the edge of the top rail with the top of the glass, making sure the rail is flush with the edge of the frame. When you're happy with the placement, tilt your top rail towards the glass so the adhesive sticks and the top rail is secured. You want to leave 1 millimetre on each side to allow for the cords to hook over later. Repeat the process with the bottom rail. Once again, line up the edge of the bottom rail with the bottom of the glass, using the frame itself as your guide. Push the bottom rail flat against the glass, allowing the adhesive to secure the rail to the window. Untie the slip knots in the cords and make sure the spring tensioner is located at the back of the blind on the bottom. To fit the blind, start by taking the cord on the top left side of the blind and hook the knotted end over and into the slots at the end of the rail so the blind is suspended by the cord. Repeat this process on the top right side now, again hooking the knotted end over and into the slot on your top rail. Remember, the tensioner should be at the bottom of your blind. Now take the bottom cord and loop it under the bottom rail, so the cord rests in the notches at the end of the rail. Try to keep the spring tensioner roughly in the centre of the window. Repeat the process on the right side, looping the cord around the edge of the bottom rail to secure it in place. Your Stick2Fit honeycomb blind is now ready to use. With the top-down, bottom-up design, you can position the honeycomb fabric exactly where you need it, allowing unlimited flexibility when it comes to light control and privacy. Stick2Fit is just one of the no-drill installation styles that we offer here at Blinds Online. Head to our website to discover more of what we have on offer.